Hello again, crafty friends. It's Heather Rui here for Reverse Confetti, and today's video shares how to create these Easter treat bags. I created these for my son's teachers for Easter, but you can change up the design to fit whatever occasion you need. I thought they would make great party favors too. Okay, so to start, I cut this scallop die from the Scalloped Bag and Tags Creator Confetti Cuts from blue cardstock. You will need a total of 3 panels, so I cut 2 additional pieces off camera. Next, I die cut this egg die from the Big Egg Confetti Cuts from one of the scallop panels. I chose this die because it cut slits that I thought would make a great window so you can see the treats inside. Now it's time to create the piece that will help make the treat bag wider and help hold the candy. I cut down one of the scallop panels at 3 inches, and I can save that top scallop piece for another project. I scored each side at 1/2 inch. These 2 scored sides will attach the 2 remaining scallop panels together. I die cut the bottom of the egg die in the center of one of the scored sides. I did this so that when I adhered it behind the egg window panel, it will line up and you won't be able to see it. So after the egg panel piece is adhered to that scored side, I adhered the solid scalloped piece to the other scored side. I held the top of the scallop pieces together and punched 2 holes for the ribbon to go through. I filled up a clear treat bag with some Easter candy and twisted it a few times. I did not secure it closed because the Easter treat bag will do that. I placed the candy bag in between the 2 scallop panels and pushed a piece of ribbon through the back holes. I tied it in a double knot in the front to secure the cardstock as well as the candy bag. This also makes it really easy for the recipient to get access to the candy. They simply untie the bow and it will open up the cardstock and the candy bag that isn't sealed shut. For a final touch, I die cut the Happy Easter word die from the Easter cover panel confetti cuts twice from white cardstock and adhered them together. I adhered it to the front of the treat bag along the solid pieces of the window. You can do this step before adding the candy on the inside to make it easier to adhere down. I just forgot to do so but didn't have any trouble doing it at the end. Also, I decided to keep the back side of the treat bag plain, but you could add more stamping or a written message. Here is a look at the other treat bags I created off camera in different colors. I hope this has inspired you to spread some kindness and create one of these quick and easy treat bags to give to someone special. I added candy to mine, but there are so many possibilities. Maybe a small stamp set and some mini ink cubes or even some cute socks. Like I mentioned earlier, I changed up the way you construct the scallop bag by adding that piece in the center to connect the 2 panels. I will link to a previous Reverse Confetti video in the description below that shows you another way to construct the Scalloped Bag and Tags Creator Confetti Cuts die set. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button as well as the notification bell if you'd like to see more videos like this. Have a great day and I'll be back soon with another video.